be showing you how to install a set of leaf spring straps. This mod will be for reducing axle wrap. I am doing this on my 2017 Chevy Colorado. These trucks aren't really known for having a lot of axle wrap, but I had these laying around and I figured I'd give it a shot anyways. And these are very simple. 2 pieces of metal straps with obviously a hole drilled in the middle and 2 bolts. And you install these about 6 inches in front of your axle, bolt them together, torque them down, and that's it. And the idea is it reduces axle wrap. This specific kit that I have comes with these bolts and the nuts. They're separate, sold separately, but these work together nicely because these bolts are staked, you can see there. So they will go in this hole, and then as you torque this down, those splines will seat themselves inside of that hole so that it really doesn't ever move. I will link these in the description so you can find them online. So I've got this set kind of mocked up. They're not tightened down all the way yet, but you can see what I'm doing. So here's the axle. This is the front of the truck this way. And about 6 inches in front of the axle there, give or take, you know, but bottom line is you want to have both sides equal. So both sets of leaf springs need to be equal. 6 inches or so here, same on the other side. And basically, I use this clamp to just kind of hold it in place while I'm tightening these. You're going to want to make sure these get on to the leaf spring straight, because when you torque this down, or torque down the nuts rather, it's going to want to splay one way or the other. Even pressure on both nuts here is the key. Now these aren't the only set of leaf spring clamps out there. There are U-shaped ones. I just happen to like the style of these better than those. But if you use a different set, make sure you get ones that are wide enough to fit on your leaf spring. These happen to be the perfect width. What axle wrap is when you accelerate, the axle wants to do this underneath the truck because of the torque you're applying to it. So by adding these straps, you're strengthening the leaf pack by tying in the overload spring to the entire leaf pack, because right now they're just a separate spring all by themselves. And so you're tightening up that leaf pack so that there's more force going against the axle as you accelerate. If you're getting a lot of axle wrap, you'll get less because you now have all of the leaf pack holding the axle in place, if that makes sense. You'll feel the effects right away when you drive, almost like you added a sway bar kit out back. It just tightens up the leaf pack a lot more. I also found that I got rid of the annoying Chevy leaf spring clunk after adding this clamp. There's videos out there of what axle wrap is. Severe cases, usually, you know, worn out trucks with big heavy duty tires on them. Like I said, these trucks aren't really prone to axle wrap. I just have these laying around and figured I'd make a video. I'm installing these and I've almost got this one tightened down all the way. As you can see, this one, there's a little bit of a gap there. It still needs to go down more. You can see this side, there is a lot of a gap, so it still needs to go down. Those splines haven't fully seated. So I've got this one tightened down all the way, and that's basically it. I would periodically check them every once in a while for the first couple 100 miles and just make sure they haven't loosened up on you, but after that, I had the last set on my truck before for 30,000 miles, and I never touched them once after the first time I hooked them up. So that's it, guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'd love it if you subscribed, and stay tuned for more. Later.